Good morning, day 27 from the Camino de Santiago.
So we were just up the hill from the town of Villafranca de Bierzo. We left Cacabelos this morning. That's where we stayed last night. For today, we're just kind of taking it easy, going to see where we get. This respiratory thing is still kicking me in the butt, so we're just going to walk until we can't walk today.
The weather's been pretty nice, pretty overcast, a little drizzly, but at least it's not a downpour like we experienced at times yesterday. So that being said, let's take advantage of it and get moving.